My friends, welcome back to 200 3D CAD problems in FreeCAD series. Today I want to work on exercise 39. Exercise 39 has a little bit of complexity embedded in it, and I want to work on that problem using part workbench. I want to keep that drawing on XY plane, and then I want to build this one from bottom up. So in that case, I want to take the center as the center of this cylindrical hole that we have there. So I think I'm ready for my first sketch on XY plane. On XY plane, it will be a half slot, half rectangle. So let's start with the slot. We can easily convert this to a rectangular end by deleting this circular end and adding a line there. That's the sketch. The radius is 20. It's given there. These two obviously will be horizontal, and that makes this 40 already. So all we have to do is this 70. That should constrain everything. Now I want to do the circular hole there as well, because that hole goes all the way up and down. And that radius is 10. Cool. That will be an extrusion for 10, 30, 10. So that's 50. Extrude that for 50. There, we got the first half done. Now I want to place this image on its front face, which is XZ, right? And let's relocate that to make it matching with our front view. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. And I want to, for now, so if you don't see, here is the view tab in the corner, and go to transparency. I want to make it half transparent. Now I can see the image there. So I want to poke this hole through it and then make a circular edge. The easier way to do it is to make the same sketch. Actually, I think that would be the easier way to do. So let's go ahead and draw a sketch on XZ plane, right? And then draw the same sketch from here to there, right? Delete this end and take it in. Make this horizontal. I am going to pull in the sectional geometry, sectional view, and then make this point on object constraint, right? The radius of this one is 25, so that's 25. We got that one, and this point is 45 millimeter away from the axis. We got that, and then the total length is 65. All right, and let's make these two vertical. I want, while I'm at here, I want to take this hole, and I can do that by making this sketch go through there, here, and finally meet at the base. So this will be vertical, and this length is given as, so 20 here and 20 here, so 40. Yes, and these two will be equal. and finally this is 10, and this will be equal to that. Alright, so what I did is I created a profile that I will be pulling. Oh, one more thing. I believe I can make a circular hole here, so that way I won't have to do another Boolean operation. This hole is radius 10. This is radius 10. Alright, close this sketch. So what I did here, I built a sketch in the middle that I will extrude both ways. It doesn't matter how actually it is, so let's make it 60. Let's go wild on that and make it symmetric. This is important. Hit apply there. So this one is 50% transparent. Now let's bring it back to 0 because that sometimes messes things up. But just to see what I did, let's bring it back to 50. So this is 50, and I'm gonna go ahead and make this one 50 as well. I build the object from two directions, and I want to keep their intersections only. So the only part that matching is the part that I want to keep. And to do that, I can select these two and hit this button. It says intersection or common. That way we got what we wanted, almost there, I believe. We got what we wanted, except these two edges, they are not orthogonal. They have a curvature. So okay, I'm looking at here and it says R10. So what I can do, I can select these two and come here, say fillet, and with these two edges selected, I'm gonna go ahead and say 10, hit enter. There, that's our object. Pretty simple, two sketch job, but the placement of the sketches were really important, and we did use the common feature and we got our object. I hope you liked this process. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.